Unlock knowledge 7 websites that surpass a $100,000 college degree. 1. Academic Earth, probably the best straightforward website off this list. You have a lot of great courses, and they're all free. Link academicearth.org. 2. Class Central, discover courses that offer free certificates by using the search feature. Link classcentral.com. 3. edX, the best website off this list. edX provides courses from big universities such as Harvard, Stanford, and MIT, and a lot more, all for free. Link edx.org. 4. Google Garage courses, many people overlook it, but Google offers a wide range of free courses. Learn various things, including digital marketing, coding, and more. Link grow.google. 5. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is the first website I used to learn new skills such as coding. It offers a ton of free materials for you to enrich your knowledge. Link khanacademy.org. 6. Harvard CS50, this is the best website to start with coding. You'll learn about all the basic concepts and fundamentals of programming to start into tech field. pll.harvard.edu. 7. My Gumroad page, visit my Gumroad page to explore over 20 free courses and books covering a wide range of exciting topics, including AI tools, ChatGPT, prompts, web development, Twitter growth. Discover all my product